আচ্ছা 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 দেখো ঠিক আছে ঠিক আছে ঠিক আছে ওকে ওগুলো সাইজ থাকে তো তো কত সাইজ বললেও এনে দেবো ঠিক আছে তো সাইজের কথা বলে হ্যাঁ ওই তুমি আগে চুড়ি চুড়ি কেন নে ওর সাইজ থাকে তুলে দাও আচ্ছা টিনা বুঝবে টিনা খুব ইয়ে আছে এগুলো খুব টিনা এগুলো খুব ভালো বোঝে বুঝছো মামির জন্য ওই পলাগুলো তো পলাগুলোর উপরে হ্যাঁ পলাগুলো তো সোনার কাজ করা থাকে তো হ্যাঁ আচ্ছা ঠিক আছে হ্যাঁ 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 বলবো ঠিক আছে চলো হ্যাঁ ওকে আচ্ছা হ্যাঁ ওকে চলো কত ভালো লাগছে
So share your screen.
1 minute, 1 second, sir. 1 second.
Sir, they have created a bridge application folder here. So I have extracted in this.
Okay, expand it.
These are the files.
You show
Sir?
all the title. You drag the title. Title is showing half. These files are showing half title. You make it full.
Okay,
You-
okay, okay. Okay, okay, okay.
Select the details. Select detail, not that. Not there. Oh. You go to view. You go to view. Menu.
View.
First top menu. Where is view? At the top of that. Top store share here. File home share view. Where you are
I'm
moving?
not getting you.
Menu. Top menu.
Wait.
This folder you cannot display total list.
So you need to see total file.
Otherwise, why I tell you to open? Oh, I am not extracting file names. I am not getting half names. I am getting only. You go to.
You are getting still half
here.
names.
This is main file.
Okay. Yes, sir. This is main file.
You listen me first. Don't act. Click on that.
I need to right click.
You select and click. I want to see that folder. Oh. You cannot open
Sir,
the.
this is the folder, sir.
You make it in details. There is option not to view this file in detail. It is showing the thumbnails.
Yes, sir.
Yes. Here, where is the detail of that files? Can you go to your
Sir, I am getting like this only.
So how to expand it? Can't you expand?
No option for extraction, I guess, for this.
I don't know how you are doing your why you are going there. Yes, go to the properties. Yes. You cannot
Yes, sir,
see
I
that
know,
what
I
is
know
the
about it.
file, when it is created, dates, and all those details you cannot display.
It is not showing for me now. I don't know why it is.
So this much you cannot handle. I think you are a computer science engineer. You cannot handle this primary directory handling.
Sir, I didn't get your words exactly previously.
What?
I didn't get your words previously, sir. I didn't get your words previously.
Can we go for?
Actually, it should show.
Can we go for chat?
Where? Okay, okay. I will.
Don't open that file. I want to see the total name, full name of
Properties.
that file. See, I am seeing only half name.
Okay, okay, I got it. So this is the only way to look at my laptop. I'm not getting
So
those.
you open it in File Explorer. You go to File Explorer. You close this. Minimize this. If I don't know the file, what is that file names, how I will guide you? You close this and
Sir?
go to the File Explorer.
Sir, I am opening File Explorer only, sir. This is File Explorer.
So File Explorer, you cannot display the full name. You don't know how to do that. Can I show in my laptop?
Yes, please.
So stop sharing.
Sir, you can see here, right? So this is the file that I have extracted before.
So
So you
where
asked
is
me
the
to.
details of that inside file? I want to see the what contains this file. This folder contains
So
which
you can.
files?
Sir, please share your screen once.
Can you see my screen?
No, sir.
Can you see my screen now?
Yes, sir, I can see it now.
So can you see the full name of my file?
Yes.
Can you see the date modified?
Okay, yeah.
Can you see the type of file?
Yes, sir. Yeah, WinZip file. Yeah.
And you can see that size.
Yes, sir. Yes.
This much you cannot do. Actually, I am telling you, make it full. Now I cannot see that full names of these files. So what I have to do, I just have to drag it simple. This much also you can, I don't know. Now you got what I want to see.
Yes, sir. I got it right now.
So what was the confusion earlier? Tell me clearly.
These kind of things.
I was telling that what is the name of this file. Don't need to drag this simple. Can you do now?
Still, I'm not exact files now. Sir, I can't see files in my same. Okay, wait, sir. So it is showing here, it is unspecified, sir.
It is showing?
Unspecified in my PC. Unspecified. It is showing unspecified. You asked me to create a new folder and you told me to extract in that file, right?
Yes, I have done that only.
So I did the same.
Yeah.
I did the same.
1 minute. This is my main folder, zip folder, and I have extracted this. Have you done that?
Yes, sir.
So then,
Yes, sir, I did it.
so this file contains these files, and I can see all the names, full names. What you are showing on me,
Okay.
this much, and also these dates
In
and
my
all this
laptop.
not coming. So how I will understand these file names? Which file folder is contain which file?
Okay, sir, I will do it. I will
This
extract
much
this
I am
again.
asking you to display whole file name. Now,
I am extracting now.
okay. Now share your screen.
Okay.
এটা লাগিয়ে দিও। Share your screen now. Yes. 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 Now click on it.
Still
Uh,
you can't see that here.
Now you
So
can
no
see.
title, it is showing no title.
Now you see at least title, no?
Yes, sir.
So now this is this last 5 folders having no use now. Okay.
Okay.
And there are 2 folders, bridge client and bridge server.
Okay.
Yes.
Yes.
Now this is 2 separate application for bridge game. So they
Okay, the
interact.
client and server.
Client is the player, or
Okay.
server is the director. Director
Okay.
means who starts the game, and players, client means
So your
players.
voice is cutting.
Okay, now audible.
Yes, sir.
Now I am telling that server is the director. Okay, try to
Okay.
understand.
Okay.
Director starts
Okay.
a game.
Okay.
As a football match, no, that director referee whistles to start the game, and then players starts playing.
Yes. Yes.
It is similar to that. It is called play. It is not
Okay.
football. So here director will start the game, and he is the application
Okay.
server, bridge server.
Okay. Okay.
And when it starts the game, players is the client. Clients are the player. Client application is for players.
Okay.
Now players will join the game what server has started.
Okay.
And this is 2 separate application, but they will communicate. So they are in network, through internet or through Wi-Fi. They will interact with each other.
Okay.
Server will play role for monitoring who is doing what, all players.
Okay.
And whatever players
Okay.
will do, server will can keep track. Okay.
Okay. Okay.
So
Okay, sir.
after the game completes, server will collect all the data result and declare the result as per ranking, who has performed first, second, third, fourth, like that.
Okay.
Now you let us do first for server, how server will work. So you open that server,
Okay, sir.
click
Okay.
on bridge server file. Click on bridge server file. Yes, not that one. Yes, bottom one. Yes,
I
next
will.
one. Yes. And here you see so many you set options here. View option is there at the top menu. Can you see that file? Yes, click on view.
Yes, sir.
and then here some option is there for options of viewing all details. Options, you select options, last right one. Now here list and details. Details, you select details. Yes.
Yes.
So it's in details it should all come actually. You
But
select
then,
your list. Let us see what comes. List, it is, I mean, content. Okay, you learn this how to display
this is
everything.
what we
Okay.
need.
Now you go to
Yes, sir, it
that
is true.
content. In content, you see there is a profile in green color at the mid bottom. Bridge Club, name is Bridge Club. Profile, PRO.
This
Got
one.
it? Yeah, double click on
This
it.
one. Yes, sir.
Yes, double click on it.
Left.
Yeah,
Okay.
you are in Qt. Are you in Qt?
Yeah, I'm in Qt. Yes,
The
sir, I'm
Qt,
in Qt.
it is okay. Click on that. Why again going to open with?
It is not opening directly.
It is not opening directly. You then close it. Close it. Cross,
Okay.
cross, cross. In File Explorer, you
Sir?
close it. Yes, you close this.
Okay, I'm closing.
Now go to screen share and open Qt file. Qt.
Okay.
First share the screen.
Okay, okay, sir.
You have not shared your screen.
I'm
Hello.
sharing, I'm sharing. Hello, sir, I'm sharing.
Okay. Now you Qt file. You click on file. Then select open file or project. Yes. Then you go there and select that profile. Yes. Where was the profile? Yes. Open. Yes. Okay. Click on OK. Input existing. Is it opening?
Sir, it is showing build and run something unconfigured here.
No. Configure here. Can you see this project? Nothing is happening here.
Yes, sir.
It is not showing the files. Bridge Club. Can you extend active project? Yeah, active project. You can expand this. What are the main files are with that? Can you see the all files here? Edit. You click on edit. Yes, expand. Why it is green file is coming? Pro. Let me check. Select project file. It is okay. I think make a. You select that here. project, in project. No, not there. Left side,
In
left
Explorer.
side. Left side is debug and then projects. Here, yes, can you see, select that?
No, I can't. Yeah.
Now build, then run it, or from there you can, yes. Let us see what happens.
Yes, sir. Yes.
It is called parsing, you know. You know
Yes,
what
sir.
is it called? What is it is doing now?
It is parsing something.
Parsing, and
There are issues.
issues. Click on that. So now you see all the files has come here.
Sir.
It is okay. Issues, you can see what is the issues.
Okay.
Okay, can you see that
Yes, sir. Every file has come.
all
I got it.
files are there, and you click on any one file, CPP files. So these are the codes.
Yes, sir.
And then you go to that bridge club debug. Select the debug, not that. Yes. Here you select for not release, debug, and
Yeah, it is
then
debug.
hit on this green triangle. You have hit that hammer triangle. You don't do that.
That will debug
And
and run.
so what is the compile?
No rule to make bridge server for Alexander. Redthumb.png. No rule to make target. It is telling no rule to make target.
You
One issue
select
is there.
bridge club. You select bridge club. You have selected something else. Bridge club.pro.
Sir, it is
No,
debug.
not there.
Okay, here.
Select.
Okay, okay.
Oh.
Just,
Select bridge club dot cpp. Bridge club at the top. Yes, bridge club. Select the bridge club. Yes.
.pro.
Bridge club project. You select bridge club project. And then
Yes,
select here tools in menu. Yes, options last. Yes,
sir.
here you have to check the options. What is that font? Everything is there. You can leisurely learn these things, how to do, what to do, and go back.
Yes.
Now hit this green triangle. Next one, yes. So,
Yes,
can you identify these problems? What is that problem? Or should I open it in my laptop and can you see that how it works?
yes, sir.
Should
Can
I
you show in
open
your
it in my
laptop? I
laptop?
will resolve in my laptop. Yes, sir. Connect in your laptop.
Okay. Then you close your presentation. I am showing that.
Closed.
So this is our my Qt. Can you see this?
Yes, sir. I can see.
So you can the dark mode you can make it this so it will be more visible, clearly visible. And file open projects and I will go to that file and I don't know where is that file. This is I think server I am opening and Bridge Club Pro. Okay.
Okay.
So this you got this message also, no?
Ah, yes, sir. I got it.
Okay. Now you see, I get this option which package is to be selected. So I
Yes,
have
sir.
selected configure all these three. And here you see left side build and run. This setting comes with for me automatically. Okay. Here I have
Okay.
setting for Android. I have setting for MSVC. I have setting for Ming GW32, Ming GW34. I can build it in all these things. Okay.
Yes. Okay.
Now this was not this has not appeared with when you done it. So you
Yes, sir.
check how why it has not come. Here you see at the bottom it is written configure it.
Yes.
Okay. So I am pressing on configure it. Got my point?
Oh, yeah.
Hello.
Ah, yeah.
Hello.
Got it, sir.
Okay.
Hello.
So now you see it is parsing now.
Okay.
So here my all files has appeared automatically. There was some
Okay.
yellow mark was there, and here I have also issues. Let us see what is issues. This issues is please update your kit 14.5 this. You choose make space make this. This is something MSVC that MSVC we are not using, so that will not be a problem for us. Okay.
Okay. Okay, sir.
So I am selecting this, and then I am if I will be doing this MS Bing GW.
Okay.
Can you see this?
Yes, sir. I can see.
Okay, and I will be debugging it. So I
Okay.
will be doing this debug, and then I will hit green. So when I hit that green triangle, then this is run triangle, and here uh, compile output. You see it is compiling.
Yeah. Yeah.
You see that has been created already. This is
Yeah. Yes, sir.
done automatically, and you see there is a chat window which is not active now, but when it starts play,
Yeah.
then it will be active. So new folder. Okay.
Okay.
So it has created a tournament. Okay.
Okay.
These are the table one, north south one, like that. It has been created. So it is successful. Okay.
Okay, sir. Yeah.
Now, if you require, yeah, I can share this video with you, and otherwise you do it yourself, and you should reach this level and tell me that yes, sir, I can also do that.
Sir, okay, sir. Please share the link, video link.
Video
To me.
first you try. If you face any problem, then you
Yes,
will
sir. I
require.
will try.
Ah,
Okay, okay, sir. Okay.
it is not required unnecessary wasting time. It is
Sir,
straightforward,
actually,
no?
in my laptop, sir, actually, in my laptop, there are some kids are missing. So first,
So you have to fix it. If required, you can reload. Now you know that what are the kits are required. While installation, it asks you to that select kits. I don't know what you have done there.
okay,
Have you faced that while
sir,
selecting? It asks what
sir,
kits to
while
use.
selecting, it didn't ask. Sir, actually, while selecting, it didn't ask any kind of
So
files.
what was the folder size actually when you installed it? Has it displayed the total
It is around 2.7 or 3 GB, sir.
2-3 GB while extracting? Then while you install, it will give no the installation folder depends on your what are the kits you choose. You more the kits you choose, more the hard disk space is it will require, and it may sometimes go for huge around 20-30 GB, and sometimes it can be 50 GB. If you select a lot of kits.
Yeah, kids.
So,
Okay, I
so,
will
so,
look. What?
first time I think you are not aware of this. Now you know that what is the importance of these things, and you should select that. So, these are the
Okay,
kits.
okay,
You
sir.
see Android kit, Mingo, MSVC, फिर Mingo 32, Mingo 64,
Okay, sir.
and did that you say do, and I will send you a book where there is something written about how to install, so you can refer that book also.
Okay, sir. Okay.
Okay, and
So
do
I
it
will. I
fast
will try my
sincerely,
best.
so that you can start early. If more the time you
Okay,
take
sir.
all for all the setting, our program will be delayed.
Okay, okay.
So first I will
Okay.
be doing sending you that what I should say book,
Okay, sir.
PDF book, and you just learn how to install this thing, what to do, what not to do, how to see, set this CPP files, all those things. I think there will be there, and you will, I think as a computer science student, you will understand this easily.
Okay, sir.
Okay. So I am closing this.
Thank
Any other point you want to
you. Okay,
share?
sir. No, no, sir.
Okay. Okay, then bye then, huh?